Advertisers want to spend their money. In 2009 alone, they spent over $412 billion on advertising. The challenge is getting them to spend their money with you. Showing how well your unique audience matches up with the national advertiser's target customer or prospect can be a challenge. Even getting more information about your own readers or consumers can be expensive and time-consuming. Wouldn't it be nice if there was a simple turnkey solution that could drive incremental advertising revenues for you? The solution has arrived. Introducing the LogicLab Print Ad Network. LogicLab helps you leverage your subscriber database quickly and effectively. Here's how LogicLab works. Go to the LogicLab website and review the service agreement, then sign. This allows your printer to send subscriber or customer mail files to LogicLab. It's that easy. LogicLab will match your files to participating advertisers' prospect models using a national database accessed through a partnership with Merkle, a $280 million customer relationship marketing agency. LogicLab ranks participating publications, catalogs, and direct mailers on how well they match advertisers' prospect models. Advertisers place their buys directly with you through LogicLab. In partnership with your printer, we provide the creative unit along with a list of names to receive the advertisement. The printer inserts the advertisement into the matched portion of your circulation. You receive payment for the advertising placed in your catalog, publication, or direct mail package. The LogicLab Print Ad Network is able to give advertisers the confidence to buy titles they've never considered before and increase their print ad budget. LogicLab makes it easy for advertisers to find your advertising program, and there are no upfront costs to join. Simple, intelligent, effective. LogicLab. The best idea you'll ever need.